It's just right there. See, that's important. I would like to pay attention for you. Alpha y minus 1 p double prime must be in the chart u y double prime. So q double prime must be in this chart v nu. Just look at here, you see? Everything is written there. You just look at here and compare. Okay, that's important, okay? Because why do we need points in p prime, okay, related to points p double prime related to points in p prime? Because there we can use Euclidean coordinates, okay, not points on a manifold. Likewise, q double prime, there are coordinates, q double prime, and coordinates, Euclidean coordinates in p double prime. So I can get this relation here because points represented in the Euclidean coordinates to points represented in the Euclidean coordinates. Okay? We forget points on the manifold, which they are important to follow this path. That's all. See, though this is a very interesting application of transition function, two manifolds, and four charts. That's it.